Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I will show acceleration and deceleration time for the inverter and motor. Acceleration time, how much time need to full frequency, and deceleration time or stop the motor gradually. Now check the acceleration and deceleration time. Let's start. Zero 01, enter. 09. This is the acceleration programming code. Enter. Now 10-second acceleration time. That means 10 seconds is required to go full frequency of the motor. This is deceleration code, parameter code 0110. Deceleration time now 10 seconds. Okay, exit. Now start the motor. Finally 10 seconds, 130 frequency. Take 10 seconds to reach the full frequency 0 to 130. Now stop the motor, decrease the frequency, decrease the motor RPM. Stop. Taking 10 seconds to stop the motor fully. We will see decrease the acceleration and deceleration time. Enter 01. Enter 9. Acceleration time 10. We will decrease the acceleration time. If we keep 1 second, enter, save. Deceleration time 10. Will decrease 1 second. Enter, save, exit. Okay, now start the motor. Within 1 second, inverter frequency 0 to 130 and motor RPM full within 1 second. Stop the motor. Within 1 second, motor RPM fully 0 and inverter frequency fully 0. So thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.